U.S. stock futures are pointing to a higher opening on Monday, October 28th. I'm Joe Doe, reporting from Wall Street with your economics update. Stock futures were pointing to a higher opening on Monday as investors awaited earnings from Apple set to come out after the closing bell. Apple's fiscal fourth quarter earnings are expected to reveal the strength in iPhone sales and offer investors guidance for what the company expects ahead from new products such as the iPhone 5S, the iPhone 5C, and iPad Air, which was introduced last week. Out with earnings reports already are Merck, Biogen, and Burger King. We have Nicole Erkin in the newsroom to break down those earnings. Nicole, what do you got?
Good morning, Joe. Now, Merck has been a disappointer in the pharma space, and today is no change from that. They did beat consensus estimates, but revenues came in short, and in particular, Januvia was disappointing. Now, the top line continues to face a number of headwinds, patent expirations, FX headwinds, delayed launches. We've been looking in particular at J&J, which has a little bit more value coming up because of potential breakup and also a stronger pipeline in pharma. We also saw that Bristol Myers was upgraded today over at Morgan Stanley, so a lot of other names in that space. In contrast, Biogen, that's a high growth biotech, though a large name, and we're seeing that come up pre-market because we're seeing such huge growth. It's a newly launched drug for MS, which is an oral treatment, is doing very well and surpassed expectations. So that's a name that has been strong all year and continues up. And then lastly, quickly, Burger King rising pre-market, but we've seen weakness in the restaurant space. Actually, US and Canada same-store sales were down. So this is a name we'll continue to watch as we continue to want to get a pulse on the consumer going into the end of 2013. Back to you, Joe.
All right, Nicole, thanks so much. Well, that's what's happening on Wall Street this morning of October 28th. For The Street, I'm Joe Doe.